Hi, we're Ian and Leanne, and this is our self-converted camper van whose name is Dick. Join us as we travel around the UK and beyond, doing walks, paddleboarding, cycling, and much, much more as we take you on our epic adventures.
Afternoon.
Hello.
On this very fine and wet Friday afternoon, it's raining, but we're in Alquezar and it looks fantastic, so we're going to go for a walk.
Reasonably well maintained. I can't see
It does,
any.
doesn't it? Yeah. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. Well, I think I've just come across the tiniest church I've ever seen. Oh, yeah, a chapel, yeah.
Why do that look all? Right in the prick. He's over there.
Yeah.
Just make it out.
Yeah, there's a bird just there.
Okay.
There's a bird just there. Just here.
Is it what?
A bird. Look at me. Towards me. There's a bird there.
I was looking for a bird.
Oh, I just found one. There's a bird there.
Oh, my chin's all wet.
It's a blue tit.
Yeah.
And today, children, let's see what's through the arched window. Now, if you're really observant, you might even see our camper van from here, which is actually blocked by another camper van, but it's up there somewhere. Well, tomorrow we're going to be going on a walk down by the river because it's going to be dry tomorrow, well, from about 11 o'clock. Just love the lack of downpipes. When it rains there, there's no downpipes, it just all comes into the middle of the street. Morning!
Hola!
Oh, we just started our gorge walk and as you can hear the bells ringing. I was going to just stand here very quietly for a minute and listen to all the birds you can hear. Sound of nature, nothing better. I say the scenery here is absolutely fantastic. You get the chance to come here, and it's well worth the visit. So we've started our walk down now into the gorge. Excuse my croakiness. It's been, because it was raining yesterday, this rock in front of me is quite slippy, so we've got to be a bit careful. So I'm just making sure I stand still whether I'm doing any filming at the moment. I'm not moving about. But yeah, it's going to be interesting. Now we're moving on to boardwalks. I think we'll be following quite a lot of those there now. The walk itself should take about an hour and a half to 2 hours, but it all depends on how fast you want to walk, how many times you want to stop and take photographs and video, etc. And then the wife photographing me on the hill here. To do the walk itself, you have to go to the tourist office, and then it's €5 each to do it, which I don't think it's a bad price, bearing in mind they've got to for the upkeep of it, etc. So yeah, it's not bad at all. Actually quite challenging in a few places, so if you're not very good on your feet, then it's probably not a good idea to come down here. Oh, there she is down there. Now we're going deeper and deeper into the gorge. At least the rain stopped today. Now that could be, I'm not sure, right up there, a bald eagle, potentially. I was just heading towards a cave, but there is a metal walkway that goes along there, which we'll be going along shortly. But, just check out the colour of that water. Don't be surprised if it's got a lot of lime in it. And there's the cave down there. And then he's just heading towards. Whether he can actually get into it, I'm not sure, because obviously the water's going across unless there's some stepping stones. But wow, this place is amazing, and I keep saying that, but it is. The Osmo's not going to pick it up at all, but on the top of that cliff up there, there's loads and loads of birds all lined up.
Possibly vultures or
Bald eagles, maybe, yeah.
Area.
They're certainly not sparrows, I know that.
Wow, the wingspan on that. Wowza.
Oh yeah, I don't know if we can pick that up. Let's see if we can. Sorry about throwing the Osmo around. Hopefully I'll get in that.
Huge wingspan. There's one coming this way.
Oh, got two. Got one above us as well.
That kind of got an even.
Do you know what it reminds me of? You know, we were in Mallorca last year and we went into those little bays and the sea was that sort of green, wasn't it?
Yes.
Ah. Now I got onto the metal walkway. I'm getting dripped on. They should provide you with hard hats because it's quite possible you could bang your head here. Yeah, so.
It's called being responsible for your own safety.
Correct.
Okay, everyone else has got to be responsible for your own safety.
Absolutely.
Wowza. I'm definitely getting better, because I don't think I've ever liked this before.
Oh, what with the heights?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the height I'm being able to see through it, I feel fine.
Yeah. Well, we're going caving now.
I can't believe I found that shit.
Well, this along here is the old walkway. I don't think we would have been walking that today. Well, these walkways just keep going.
Oh wow.
Absolutely.
Look,
It's just absolutely brilliant. Everywhere you look. I think we've come across the back end of town. Do a little bit of TLC.